minor traction on the right side. So engineers would call this a split mu. And what it's going to demonstrate is that the vehicle will move off in this situation. So we're going to start the vehicle, and we're going to make sure we're in snow mode. And we're going to drive up onto the rollers. Now we have a little divot in the middle there, just to kind of station. There we are, we're right in the middle. Okay, so there we're stationary, and we're at a stoplight, and we've got snow. And now we're going to demonstrate snow mode, how that'll get you moving in your venue. So go ahead. One of the things I like about this demonstration, you see how long these rollers will spin. That's an example of just how frictionless they are. It's really very close to ice. And so it's a great feature that keeps the cost down on the vehicle, allows you to have a great price point for this target buyer, and yet give you good capability in all weather conditions, enough for the buyer to meet their daily lifestyle needs. So